Let's continue with the previous lecture. Suppose you have to find out the inverse of the matrix by using elementary row transformations. Suppose A equal to 3 minus 2 3 2 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 2 3 minus 2 3 2 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 2. Okay, now I start with we also solve in this way. Solution A I implies 3 minus 2 3 2 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 2. Again it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. We have to find out the inverse of this matrix by using elementary row transformation. First we have to reduce these to an identity matrix. That is, first we have to reduce 3 to 1. If we divide 3 in each turn, then it is minus 2 by 3, it is 1 by 3. Then the next step calculation maybe take some time. So for your convenience, suppose we interchange row 1 with row 3. That is 4 minus 3 2 0 0 1 2 1 minus 1 0 1 0 3 minus 2 3 1 0 0. Now we have to reduce this element to 1. If you use the property row 1 is split by row 1 minus row 3, that is 4 minus 3 1. So you can write 1 minus 3 plus 4, which is 1. It is 2 minus 3 minus 1. So it is minus 3 plus 2, it is minus 1. Row 1 minus row 3. Minus 3 plus 2, it is again minus 1. Again it is 0 minus 1 1 0 1. It is 2 1 minus 1 0 1 0 3 minus 2 3 1 0 0. Again we have to reduce this 2 1 3 to 0 using this one, as you have to solve column wise. So use the property row 2 is split by row 2 minus 2 row 1, row 3 is split by row 3 minus 3 row 1. So it is 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1. Again use row 2 minus 2 row 1, 2 minus 2 0, minus 1 plus 2 it is 3, minus 1 plus 2 it is 1, 0 minus minus 2 plus 2, 1 minus 2 into 0 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2. Again row 3 minus 3 row 1, 3 minus 3 0, minus 2 plus 3 1, 3 plus 3 6, 1 plus 3 4 0, it is minus 3. Now we have to reduce this to 3 to 1. If you use the property, if we interchange row 2 and row 3, then column 1 unaltered. So you use the property row 2 interchange with row 3. If you use this property row 2 interchange with row 3, it is 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1. It is 0 1 6 4 0 minus 3. It is 0 3 1. Again it is 2 1 minus 2. Now third step complete. Now we have to reduce this minus 1 and 1 to minus 1 and 3 to 0 using this one. This minus 1 and 3 to 0 using this one. Now row 1 is split by row 1 plus row 2, as it is minus 1 plus 1 0. Again row 3 is split by row 3 minus 3 row 2. As we have to reduce this 3 to 0 using this row 2. So 1 0 5 3 0 minus 2. Again row 2 unaltered 0 1 6 4 0 minus 3. Again row 3 minus 3 row 2. It is 0 3 minus 3 0 1 minus 18 minus 17 2 minus 10 sorry 2 minus 12 it is minus 10 1 minus 2 plus 9 it is 7. Again we have to reduce this minus 17 to 1. So row 3 is filled by minus 1 by 17 to 3 implies 1 0 5 3 0 minus 2 0 1 6 4 0 minus 3. It is 0 0 1. Again it is 10 by 17 minus 1 by 17 minus 7 by 17. Now I have to reduce this 5 and 6 to 0 using this one. So row 1 is filled by row 1 minus 5 row 3. Row 2 is filled by row 2 minus 6 row 3. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. The left side complete. Then right side row 1 minus 5 row 3. 3 minus 50 by 17. 3 minus 50 by 17 that is 1 by 17. 0 minus minus 5 plus 5 by 17. Minus 2 plus 35 by 17. Minus 2 plus 35 by 17 that is minus 34 that is again it is 1 by 17. 4 minus 60 by 17 that is 8 by 17. 0 minus minus 6 plus 6 by 17. Minus 3 plus 42 by 17 that is minus 51 plus 42 that is minus 9 by 17. 10 by 17 minus 1 by 17 minus 7 by 17. That is I is to A inverse. So 1 by 17, 5 by 17, 1 by 17, 8 by 17, 6 by 17, minus 9 by 17, 10 by 17, minus 1 by 17, minus 7 by 17. This minus 9. Which is the required answer. You can also verify that A into A inverse also I. Let us take another example. The second bit. Suppose A equal to 1 1 2 0 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 2 0 1 2 1 2 1. Suppose you write this equal to A, this is the matrix A equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. So first we have to reduce this element to 1. Already it is 1, so nothing to do for the first step. Now I have to reduce this to 0. Already it is 0. Now this to 1 to 0 using this one. So you can write row 3 is followed by row 3 minus row 1. So 1 1 2 0 1 2 0. This is 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 1. Again you have to reduce this to 1. Already it is 1, so nothing to do for the step 3. Now reduce this one and this one to 0 using this one, so you can write row 1 minus row 2. Again row 3 is split by row 3 minus row 2, so you can write it as 1 0 0. Again it is 0 1 2. Again it is row 3 minus row 2, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Again on the right side, row 1 minus row 2, that is 1 minus 1 0, 0 1 0. Again row 3 minus row 2, minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 1, it is 1. Column 2 complete. Now go to column 3. Now I have to reduce this minus 3 to 1, so use the property row 3 is split by minus 1 by 3 row 3. So it is 1 0 0 0 1 2 0 0 1. On the right side, 1 minus 1 0 0 1 0 minus, that is 1 by 3 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now you have to reduce this and this to 0 using this one. Already it is 0, so I have to reduce 2 to 0 only. That is row 2 is split by row 2 minus 2 row 3. That is 1 0 0 0 1 0. It is 0 0 1. It is 1 minus 1 0. Now row 2 minus 2 row 3, 0 minus 2 by 3, it is minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 minus 2 by 3, it is 1 by 3. 0 minus minus 2 plus 2 by 3. Again 1 by 3 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into a. So it is inverse of this matrix is 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 by 3 2 by 3 was the, so A inverse equal to this matrix. And go to, suppose we have to solve this matrix, so we have to find out the inverse of this matrix by using elementary column transformation. We solve it by using elementary row transformation. Suppose we want to solve it by using elementary column transformation, that is we have to use only properties of columns. Let it be 1, start with a I, implies 1 1 2 0 1 2 1 2 1. It is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. By using, while using elementary column transformation, we have to solve row wise. Here the first element is 1. Already the first step is nothing to do for the first step. Go to for second step, that is we have to reduce this one and this 2 to 0 using this one. This one is present on column 2, so we write column 2 is split by column 2 minus column 1. Column 3 is split by column 3 minus 2 into column 1. That is 1 0 1. Column 2 minus column 1, 1 minus 1, it is 0. 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 1 1. Column 3 minus 2 into column 2, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 0 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Again it is 1 0 0. Again column 2 minus column 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0. Column 3 minus 2 into column 1, that is 0 minus 2 minus 2, it is 0, it is again 1. So first row completed. Go to second row. Again second row you have to reduce this to 1. Already it is 1, not to do for step 3. Go to step 4. You have to reduce this and this to 0 using this one. So we write column 3 is split by column 3 minus 2 into column 2. That is we have to reduce 0 by using this one. So 1 0 1 0 1 1. Column 3 minus 2 into 1, that is 0, 2 minus 2 0, minus 1 minus 2, it is minus 3. Again 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0. Now column 3 minus 2 into column 2, minus 2 plus 2, it is 0. 0 minus 2, it is minus 2. 1. Again we have to reduce to go to row 2 is completed, go to row 3. Now to reduce this 3, minus 3 to 1, so write row 3 is filled, sorry, column 3 is filled, that is we have to use only column operation. Column 3 is filled by minus 1 by 3 into column 3, that is 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Again it is 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0 0 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Again we have to reduce this and this to 0 using this one. So column 1 is split by column 1 minus column 3, column 2 is split by column 2 minus column 3. So it is 1 minus 0 1 0, it is again 0 and 0 1 0 0 0 1. Left side complete, go to right side. Column 1 minus column 3, 1 minus 0, it is 1. 0 minus 2 by 3, it is minus 2 by 3. 0 minus minus plus 1 by 3, it is minus 2 by 3. Again column 2 minus column 3, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1. 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 minus 2 by 3, it is 1 by 3. Again 0 minus minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it is 0 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is I A inverse. So A inverse equal to 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 by 3 1 by 3 2 by 3 1 by 3 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is same as on this 1 minus 1 0, 1 is 2 by 3 1 by 3 2 by 3 1 by 3 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So while using elementary column transformation we have to solve row wise.